Hey guys, today we have a 2013 Nissan Altima. We'll be using the Autopropad to program the smart key. This is all keys lost situation, so this is not programmed to the car. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, so let's get started. So you can see this key is not registered right here, and then press the start. Nothing's working. Alright, so what we're gonna do is let's go ahead, go to the Autopropad Basic. Let's go to Nissan USA. Agree. Then let's go to program keys. Let's go select from vehicle, Nissan, and Altima sedan. This is a sedan. As you can see, we got one door in the back. Let's press the sedan. 2013, so that's what we're gonna click. It's smart key, program smart keys. So it says switch ignition off. The ignition is off. Turn the hazard warning lights. Press OK. So that's hazard warning lights. Then press OK. All smart key will be erased. You can program up to 4 smart key total. Alright. Yes. Steering wheel in release state. Press yes to continue. It is released. As you can see, it's not locked. Press yes. Do not press the brakes. Press and hold the start button until the ignition turn is on. You just say that. Press and hold it until on. That is on. Okay. Press OK. Switch the ignition off. Press OK to continue. Press it once. And that is off again. Let's OK. Press and release the start button with the logo of the key, which is this is the logo of the key to the center of the button. If the vehicle chimes twice and the ignition switches on, the key was accepted. The immobilizer indication would also flash 5 times. If the vehicle chimes 6 more times, the ignition remains off. It's not accepted. So press yes to continue. If the key was accepted and the ignition is on, press yes. Alright, so we're going to use this logo to hold it and then turn on, then release. So that's accepted. Okay, I'll drop my programmer, hold on. So that's accepted. You press OK. Yes. If the immobilizer, let me see what it says. Indication is off, press yes to continue, otherwise it's fail. It's on, so press OK. Yes. Switch the ignition off, press OK to continue. Press it again to turn it off. That's off. Then OK to continue. Alright, program success. Would you like to program any additional key? No, we only have one key to program. Just press no. Press the start button with the logo of the key introduced successfully. The vehicle will chime several times. Ignition should switch on. Switch the ignition off and the instrumental cluster should press key. Registration complete. Program OK. Let's press this. Turn on. See that? And then we're going to turn it off. Press 1. Press OK. Open the door. That should be good. Let's try it. Let's try it again. There you go. Press it on. And then press one more time. There you go. It beeped. Pressed it. There you go. Key registration complete. So I just have to turn on and off with the key on the button. And then we can try it. There you go. Lock and unlock. As you can see, that's programmed already. We can turn off the hazard and just start the car. Press the brake pedal. There you go. There you go, guys. That's easy programming. All keys lost. And using the Autopropad, turn it off again. If you put it right outside and try to turn it on, nothing. It says key ID incorrect, as you can see. And you have to have this key inside your car. There you go. And everything works. Lock, unlock. Let's see if you go back here to exit everything. And that's what we have. Using the Autopropad, what we have is a, let me see if you can see it, is the Autopropad Basic. Can't even see it. Let me put a light on it. Hold on. There you go. It's an Autopropad Basic key programmer, and that's what we use to program the key. All right, let's try to start again. Press the brake. There you go, guys. And that's how you program it. Pretty easy, in less than 10 minutes. You could probably do it in 5 minutes. And all right, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more video. All right, guys, thank you. Till next time.